Good morning. Waking up this morning in my 2017 Honda CR-V. Those are my feet at the end of my bed, which I explained in my other video about sleeping in my car. You can see I've got my windows covered. That one's covered pretty well. Back one not so well, but it blocks out a lot of the light. Does pretty well, so it's good enough for me. All my stuff on that side of the bed. Whoops, the window covering's falling down. But it's morning, so that's okay. All my stuff over here on this side of the bed. And that window covering's not very good either. It doesn't block out all the light. But the advantage of that is you can look out at night and see who's next to you. One of my hobbies is water skiing, so normally this orange water ski sits on my bed during the day when I'm driving. At night I put it like that up over the front seat, get it out of the way of my bed. I also have another one over here. That's the end of it. It's on the dashboard in the front seat. It's a shorter ski. You can see for the front, I put the towel over the seats like that. Again, it blocks some light. At least the whole thing's not open. It was pretty late last night. Sometimes I have a rope I string between those handles, which does a better job of holding up a blanket, but I didn't feel like messing with it last night. Slept really well. I can't believe it's a bright sunny morning. It's basically 8 o'clock now. I can't believe I slept that long, like nearly 8 hours. Here's the front of my bed, my pillow, this window covering, and then you can see out there I'm at the Pilot Flying J. Right there, you can see through there, and there's somebody standing next to my car. You can sort of see. That's what woke me up. It's literally a group of motorcycles with very loud, you can probably hear that, very loud motorcycles, but I needed to get up anyway, so it's all good. Anyway, that's my setup. And yes, I'm at the Pilot Flying J out there. The disadvantage with truck stops is it's very loud and it's all lit up, and because it's open 24 hours. But that's also the advantage. I feel very safe. I mean, yes, it's loud and lit up, and that sucks, but I don't know. They let you, as far as I know, you're allowed to sleep here. I've called and asked some of them, and you're allowed to stay here and they don't bother you. And then I feel pretty safe because there is so much going on around it. I just block my windows and I have my fans on, which drowns out some of the noise. So that's typically what I do when I'm traveling, is stay at a truck stop. Really, like, I drive till 11 or midnight, and then till 7 or 8, and I'm good. Alright, here's another shot. This is where I parked last night, the Pilot Flying J. This is my car, Honda CR-V. Been traveling last 3 weeks. Got my bike with me. So I was right here near the end. Didn't park there because it looked like it could sort of fill up with water. It did rain last night, pretty hard. But anyway, this is the area, parking lot. You can see the Pilot Flying J there, and this is where I'm at. Great evening, no issues at all. Pulled in, went in the store, bought something to eat, went to sleep. So like I say, this is sort of my preferred place to spend the night when I'm traveling. Feel pretty safe with it. So that's what I did. I woke up about an hour ago, went in, bought some coffee, filled my car with gas. Back here at my spot I was in and just enjoying the morning. Trucks are leaving. It's getting very busy now. Like I said, I slept like a rock last night. It rained, maybe that slowed things down. Had all my windows up. It was still pretty comfortable in my car. The temperature I think was down in the low 70s. So with my fans, I was very comfortable. In fact, it was cool this morning. I maybe woke up around 4 in the morning and had to put some blankets, another blanket on my bed. I was cold. Here's my inside of my car after I made my bed and got ready for driving. You can see there the water skis are on my bed. Few things piled on my bed for driving during the day. Took down the window coverings on the back window and these two sides. I leave them up all the time on those little windows. I don't really use those windows anyway, so especially this one on the driver's side, so I just leave those on there all the time pretty much now. Got my Buc-ee's hat there, gotta have that. Anyway, this is what it looks like when I'm driving. There's my window coverings there. I keep there, cardboard, during the day. And this is the inside view. See if I can get this, yeah, back here from the front. So, getting ready to take off here. Been a great morning here at the Flying J. Enjoying coffee before I get going. But here's kind of the overview of the area in Florida. So again, great evening here at a truck stop. That's what I do. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And I'll see you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.